Today's video, I'm going to teach you about the difference between strips and sections in the Wix editor. Understanding these elements will significantly enhance your website design capabilities, making your site look more polished and professional. So let's dive right in and break down what each of these components can do for you. First, let's talk about strips. Strips are a versatile feature in Wix that allows you to build your site's layout in a streamlined and organized way. Imagine a strip as a horizontal layout container that stretches across the width of your page. This flexibility makes strips a fantastic choice for adding backgrounds, images, or even videos. You can use strips to divide your content into clear, visually appealing sections that catch your visitors' attention. One of the great things about using strips is their adaptability. You can create a distinct feel for each strip by changing the background color, adding patterns, or selecting dynamic video backgrounds that resonate with your brand. Furthermore, you can add multiple columns within a strip to arrange and display content systematically. This multi-column setup allows for a versatile presentation of text, images, or any other elements you wish to include on your web page. Now, let's move on to sections. In the Wix platform, sections are closely linked to strips but serve a slightly different purpose in the editor. A section is more like a container that helps you categorize your content within a page. Sections allow you to succinctly organize your information, creating natural breaks in the content flow. These containers can house elements such as images, text, buttons, and galleries, giving them their own space on the page. This is crucial for enhancing user navigation and ensuring visitors can easily find relevant content. One tip for effectively using sections is to think about them as chapters of a book. Each section should relay a specific message or address a particular part of the user journey, whether that's an introduction, showcasing services, or providing contact details. You can easily modify the height, background, and spacing in a section, giving your web page a coherent and structured feel. When working with the Wix editor, integrating both strips and sections can give your website a multidimensional layout. They're designed to work hand in hand to help you build aesthetically pleasing and highly functional web pages. Using strips to offer broad design strokes and sections to fine-tune the details creates a balance that enhances user experience. Strips and sections complement each other, offering a comprehensive set of tools to structure your website as per your design vision. On your next Wix project, try experimenting with combining these elements. Add dynamic backgrounds to your strips and use sections to neatly compartmentalize information. This approach not only captures attention with visual impact but also guides visitors smoothly through your content. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to use strips and sections effectively in the Wix editor. Implement these strategies in your own web projects, and you'll see a noticeable improvement in both the design and functionality of your site. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.